you to put a rush up on it, like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Texting on my ways, but you still stalling.
Hey y'all, it's yours truly, Asia here, and I'm back with another freaking video. And y'all know it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Today's video is going to be a makeup video. I'm reviewing how I feel about this e.l.f. Flawless Foundation $6 makeup that I bought from Walmart. So this is the look. It looks amazing. Sorry, I have like my TV on and my phone is on because my baby's playing right now, so I'm trying to watch the game because it's not on my TV. But anyways, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look with this foundation, then keep on watching. So before I do anything, I'm going to use this Professional Matte Rescue to prime my face. It just looks like this, and we're gonna put some of this all over my face. If you guys see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. I'm just gonna put this literally all over my face. Got that on. I should have pinned my hair back, but so now I'm just going to take this Celine foundation brush in number 104, and I'm going to put some of this on the back of my hand. I'm probably going to take like, let's see, it's a pump, like it looks like that. So this is not even one whole pump, so I'm just gonna try this first, and then if I need more, I'll put more. I'm just gonna put some. Oh, come through. I really love e.l.f. products, and I feel like, yes. I think, if I'm not mistaken, on the box it said medium coverage. I don't know. And I still have like this much left on my back of my hair. We're gonna do like one half of this, just so you guys can see. Okay, e.l.f. with the $6 foundation. Okay. I usually use Sephora foundation, just their brand. Well, their line of foundation. Oh yeah, I'm really feeling this. Look at that. This is the e.l.f. foundation side. This is my regular no makeup side. So it is a real natural look. We'll see how it finishes. I think it's supposed to be a matte finish. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I mean, this is looking bomb, so we gonna see what they come through. Okay, so I just used that one whole pump. Well, half of the pump. This is a whole pump. Like, yeah, it's kind of thick too. Like, it's not really watery, so I'm just gonna do this side. Yes, look at that. Okay, I like it. I really do. Oh, we are coming through with the sleigh. I just finished my eyebrows off camera. I'm just going to conceal them, and then I will be done with that. So the brows are done. What I do now is just finish my face. I'm just gonna let this sit for just a minute, and while I do, I'm going to set my eyes because I don't wear foundation. I don't wear foundation. I don't wear eyeshadow. So I'm just going to set my eyes because I don't want it to keep creasing. I'm just going to put like a natural little eyeshadow, and this is coming from the Morphe palette. It looks really good. I'm liking how it's turning out. I'm liking it. That's what the contour looking like. I mean, that's almost my completed look. Off camera, I just added a little bit of under eye mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm just gonna put on some of this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. I mean, it's alright. It's not the color I wanted, but it's gonna do what it's gonna do. So this is a completed look with the foundation, and I must say that, y'all, I actually really like this. It's hard for me to get like a really nice smooth finish, and I feel like that's what this gave me. Like, I don't know, y'all can see, I feel like this is a really nice finish. This right here, I think it's well worth it. I would buy it if I was y'all. $6, you can't beat that. And I know a lot of people, for me, I don't know, I'm cheap when it comes to makeup, so for me to spend $6 on a foundation and it had my face looking this good, and it's perfect match. It's hard for me to find a foundation that is my skin color, like on the T, and I feel like this on the T is my skin color. That is going to end this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video from me ever again. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at, I think, 1,100 subscribers actually. So yeah, y'all been showing love to me, and I really appreciate you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.